My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the site scanprotectiontoday.com. This is a misleading and deceptive website that may suddenly start attacking your Google Chrome browser. These pop-ups by the site scanprotectiontoday.com are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You should not interact with them. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. So it is definitely a mistake to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. They also sometimes try to gather a lot of your personal details and use this data illegally. So in interacting with these pop-ups is a serious mistake. Don't share any of your private data through these pop-up alerts. The only correct solution is to leave this page and disregard its content. Of course, you could research the control panel. Maybe this would help you to find any suspicious programs that could be generating such pop-ups. If you find something suspicious, get rid of it. I would also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and then begin researching your system with its help to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.